Hello guys, myself Sandeep. Welcome to my channel Microsoft World. In previous video, we told that how to download and install VMware Workstation. Now we are creating virtual machines, and in this virtual machine, we will deploy Windows 11 operating system. Already I have downloaded the Windows 11 operating system. In link description, I will mention the link how to download the Windows 11, Windows 10 operating system ISO file. Now we will create the new virtual machines. Click on virtual machine. Here click on browse. Okay, now I am selecting the Windows 11 operating system. Click on open. Here you need to click on next. Click on next. Here I want to click on all files must be encrypted. Here I am giving the password for virtual machine. Click on next. Click on next. Now I am giving the minimum disk size as 64 GB. Click on next. Click on finish. Now virtual machine was creating. This was the one virtual machine. In this virtual machine only, we will deploy the Windows 11 operating system. Before that, we will show some more things about this one. Now it is trying to take operating system. Press any key. This was the virtual machine, right? It will take some bit time to open this one. Meanwhile, I will tell you settings of the virtual machine. Click on here, virtual machine settings. Here I given memory 4 GB, processor 2, 64 GB. Here you can see net adapter. If you click on net adapter, it is used to share host IP address. Means local machine internet will allocate to the virtual machine. Okay guys, I will tell you the differences between Windows 11 and 10. Windows 11 requires a 64-bit processor with 2 cores and 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. While Windows 10 requires 64 GB processor with 2 GB and 20 GB. And I want to tell you about the major difference between Windows 11 and 10 is its design. Windows 11 offers an interface that's more like Mac with rounded corners for all the windows and cleaner interface and all. See, Windows 11 OS was loaded. Now I'm selecting the United States language. Click on next. Then I will click on install. Now I don't have any product key. I don't have any product key. See here, so many versions are there: Windows Home, Enterprise, Education, Pro. In link description, I have mentioned what was the difference between Home, Education, and Pro. As of now, I am selecting Windows 11 Pro. Click on Next. Here, I need to accept the license agreement and click on Next. Here, I need to use customized Windows installation. Here, this is the unallocated space which we have given starting to VMware is 64 GB. Click on this New and Apply. Click on OK. Means it may create the additional partition systems. See, this partition is cleared from 116 MB, 100 MB will created for reserve. Here, then click on Next. Now Windows 11 installation was going on. It will take some time. Let's wait until it was completed. Meanwhile, you can refer my link description. Differences between Windows 11 and 10. Also, different types of versions like Home, Enterprise, Education, and all. Here you can see most of the installation was completed. It was installing the features. Now it was installing the updates. See, services are starting. It will take some time to install operating system. Getting Windows ready. The United States. Click on Yes. Some updates are going on. You can see still updates are going on. One more thing, while you are deploying any operating system need to be connected to power socket. You should be you should be on. It's almost done. So I'm giving this device name as Sandeep. Click on next. Okay, then let's try to sign in here only because it was not redirecting to back page. Now I'm giving the ID. You need to give Outlook mail only, not Gmail mail. As of now, I'm setting up a new PC. Create pin. Click on next. Accept. As of now, I'm going to skip this. Skip. Click on continue. Sorry, it was asking for payment. I need to decline this. Decline. Again, it was checking for updates. Yeah, it's almost completed. Also, if you have any queries, please feel free to text me. You can comment on below. I will respond on that. Actually, it will take 1 hour. It may be take more than 1 hour also. Sometimes it will take 2 hours. Almost there. It's completed, guys. This was the Windows 11 operating system which I have installed in VMware Workstation. Here you can see internet will also come. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.